heartbeat moving slow. Oh, oh.
No more plans, nowhere to be. Just this moment, you and me. When the sun meets ocean blue, everything feels true.
Let the sunset hold us tight. Soft wave melting into night. Soft reggae, warm and low. Feel the love, let it flow. Let the sunset fade to dark. Every sound lights a spark. In this calm, in this tune, soft wave reggae, moonbound.
Lantern lights along the shore. Footsteps echo, nothing more. Laughing, quiet, hands in hand. Time dissolves into the sand. Ooh.
All the rush is far away. Nothing left we have to say. Let the rhythm close our eyes. Peace arise. Let the sunset hold us tight. Salt wave melting into night. Soft reggae, warm and low. Feel the love, let it flow. Let the sunset fade to dark. Every sound lights a spark. In this calm, in this tune, salt wave reggae, moonbound. Moonbound. Echo drifting purple air. Every worry disappear. Hold this sound, let it stay till the night takes over day.
Let the sunset fade tonight.
Salt wave soft in candlelight.
Moon above, ocean sighs. Reggae sleeps beneath the sky.
Sunset bleeding in the sound. Quiet power all around. Salt wind speaking soft and low. Things we lost, things we know. Not every fight needs a war. Not every scar needs more. Let the rhythm ease the pain. Let the ocean clear the stain. We don't run, we don't hide. Salt wave moving with the tide. Heavy hearts, steady flame. Reggae rock still calls my name. We don't scream, we don't fall. Still standing through it all. Slow burn fire in my soul. Salt wave reggae take control. Salt wave reggae take control. testify. Burn it down like a flame. Reggae rock with no restraint. From the ocean to the stage, salt wave fury unleash rage. Burn it down, feel the quake. Heavy bass make the earth shake. Hands up high, hearts untamed. Salt wave reggae, unashamed.
Echoes drown in undertow. Slow it down, let it go. Hold the breath, feel the crush. When it drops, no one hush.
Whoa, no. Golden light on open waves. Morning breeze begins to play. Salt still warm on tired skin. Another day is breathing in. No shadows left to hide. Night has gently passed us by. With the sun upon our face, we rise slow in this place. Here we are, alive again. Salt wave running through our veins. Soft reggae, pure and true. Morning sky in shades of blue. Here we are, hearts so light. Washed by stars, kissed by light. Every step feels clean and new. Salt wave reggae, carrying you. Whoa, footprints fading in the sand. Time moves soft, just as planned. Every dream we held so tight feels closer in the morning light. No more wait from yesterday. Let the past just drift away. With this rhythm in our hands, we begin where we now stand. Here we are, alive again. Salt wave running through our veins. Soft reggae, pure and true. Morning sky in shades of blue. Here we are, hearts so light. Washed by stars, kissed by light. Every step feels clean and new. Salt wave reggae, carrying you. Let it glow, let it stay. Feel the calm, greet the day. Here we are, alive again. Salt wave echoes in the wind. From the night into the blue. Salt wave reggae renew. Sunrise singing, oceans wide. Reggae flowing with the tide. a cut. Rock drum hit, make the ground erupt. Sweat and smoke in the ocean air. No rules left, we don't care. Break the silence, kill the fear. This is our sound, this is our year. From the sand to the stage lights, we own the dark, we own the fire. Crash the night, feel the pressure. Reggae rock, wild and reckless. Hands up high, we don't behave. Born to ride this sound wave. Crash the night, lose control. Heavy fire in my soul. Scream it loud, say my name. Salt wave reggae. Set aflame, set aflame. Salt wave reggae. Midnight waves breathe slow and deep. City lights are fast asleep. Salt wave floating in the dark, guided by a distant spark. No more words we need to say. Let the silence gently play. Every sound is soft and low. Let the rhythm overflow. Drift away, drift away, drift away. Salt wave carries night to day. Close your eyes, feel the tone. Reggae humming, safe and warm. Drift away, drift away. Moonlight keeps the fear away. In this calm, in this flow. Salt wave reggae, soft and slow. Breathing sinks with ocean tide. All the noise falls far aside. Every thought begins to fade. In the dark we're unafraid. Nothing chasing, nothing lost. Every road has led us home. Let the bassline hold the ground till the morning sound. Drift away, drift away. Salt wave carries night to day. Close your eyes, feel the tone. Reggae humming, safe and warm. Drift away, drift away. Moonlight keeps the fear away. In this soft upon my skin. Let the quiet pull me in. No rush now, nowhere to go. Heartbeat slow, moving slow. Every breath, every sound. Peace is what we found. We let go, we let flow. With the tide, we move slow. Under stars, calm and free. Salt wave living inside me. We let go, we let flow. Reggae humming soft and low. In this night, in this space. Salt wave reggae, our safe place. Palm trees whisper in the dark. Tiny fires, tiny sparks. Every worry fades away till the light of another day. No weight left on the mind, only love we leave behind. Every scar, every tear was a path that led us here. We let go, we let flow. With the tide, we move slow. Under stars, calm and free. Salt wave living inside me. We let go, we let flow. Reggae humming soft and low. In this night, in this space. Salt wave reggae, our safe place. Echo drifting, delayed breath. Music floating, nothing left. Hold this moment, let it stay till the night turns into day. Let go, we let flow. Oh, yeah. Salt wave, soft and slow. We let go, we let flow. Oh, yeah. Salt wave, soft and slow. Ocean breathing, hearts at rest. Reggae night, we're truly blessed. Morning breaks on the open sea. Last night's fire still inside me. Salt on skin, scars on soul. Every wave made us whole. We survived the undertow, all the dark we used to know. Stand up now, feel the sound. This is where we're homebound. We are still here, still alive. Saw we running through our lives. From the fire to the calm. Reggae rock, forever strong. We are still here, hands held high. Under open endless sky. Every scar, every flame. Saw where reggae remains. Quiet sand where the chaos slept. Promises the tide still kept. Baseline low, but the heart's still loud. We don't fade, we don't bow. No more running, no regret. sunset. When the sun hits the shore, we're stronger than before. We are still here, still alive. Saw wave running through our lives, from the fire to the calm. Reggae rock, forever strong. We are still here, hands held high, under open endless sky. Every scar forever fought. Saw wave reggae. Let it breathe, let it heal. Every truth we learn to feel. Slow it down, then let it soar. When it lifts, we want more. We are still here, still alive. Saw wave echo in the night, from the ocean to the flame. Saw wave reggae. Our name
Still alive,
saw wave rolling.
soft and deep.
Saw wave reggae.
Still we're ready,
Saw wave reggae.
forever free. Still alive,
Saw wave rolling.
soft and deep.
Saw wave reggae.
Still we're ready.
Red lights flashing on the coastline. Broken speakers screaming freedom signs. The salt on lips, blood on strings. Hear the sound of rebellion sing.
No sleep, no shame, we stand tall. When the system wants us to fall, turn the volume past the pain. Let the ocean break these chains.
Raise your fist, feel the flame. Reggae rock running in our veins. From the sand to the city lights, saw wave rising. Ignite the night, raise your fist, scream it loud. Bass so heavy, shake the crowd. No control, no escape. We are born from the salt wave. From the salt wave.
Drums hit hard like crashing tides. Skanking distortion collide. Sweat dripping under moonlight. This is war, this is life.
No more silence, no more lies. We survive, we don't comply. From the beach to the front line, this sound is yours, this sound is mine. Raise your fist, feel the flame. Reggae rock running in our veins. From the sand to the city lights, salt wave rising. Ignite the night, raise your fist, scream it loud. Bass so heavy, shake the crowd. No control, no escape. We are born from the salt wave. Hands up, bass drop, feel the wave. Don't stop, hold the fire, hold the line. When it drops, we cross the line. Ooh, we cross the line. Raise your fist, feel the flames. Salt wave fire, no restraints. Under stars, under rage, salt wave reggae. Set the stage, raise your fist, feel the flame. Reggae rock running in our veins. From the sand to the city lights, salt wave rising. Ignite the night. dancing in the rain. Bassline rolling like a tidal fire. We don't sleep, yeah, we own the night. No change, no fear, we rise again. Broken dreams washed by the sand. Turn it up, let the rhythm roar. This is what we're living for. We ride the salt wave, feel the fire. Reggae rock, taking us higher. Under the moon, under the sun. This revolution just begun. We ride the salt wave, no control. Heavy bass shaking my soul. Hands in the sky, hearts on flame. Salt wave reggae, call my name. Call my name. Skank guitar cutting through the sound. Rock and reggae shake the ground. Ocean screaming freedom loud. Lost and found inside this crowd. No limits, no rules tonight. Turn the dark into the light. Feel the kick, feel the drum. When the bass hits, we become. We ride the salt wave, feel the fire. Reggae rock, taking us higher. Under the moon, under the sun. This revolution just begun. We ride the salt wave, no control. Heavy bass shaking my soul. Hands in the sky, hearts on flame. Salt wave reggae, call my name. Echo voices in the tide. Feel the storm from deep inside. Slow it down, then let it burn. When the beat drops, no return. Salt wave, feel the fire. Reggae rock, burning brighter. Hands in the sky, hearts on flame. Salt wave reggae, scream my name.
Salt wave rising, don't look back. Reggae rock on a rebel track. Salt wave rising, don't look back. Reggae rock on a rebel track.
Shadows long on sandy roads. Day slows down, color glows. Salt wave humming soft and true. Golden light in every view. Time feels kind, nothing rushed. All the noise is turning hush. In this calm I start to see what this moment gives to me. Slow it down, feel the glow. Salt wave drifting nice and slow. Golden now, open sky. Reggae breezes passing by. Slow it down,
Stay right here. Every note feels crystal clear. In this light, in this tune. Salt wave reggae. After
just the now we haven't met. Let the rhythm paint the air. We don't need much more than this. Slow it down, feel the glow. Saw wave drifting nice and slow. Golden hour, open sky. Reggae breezes passing by. Slow it down, feel the glow. Saw wave drifting nice and slow. Golden hour, open sky. Reggae breezes passing by. Let it linger, let it stay. Oceanside, radio low, easy ride. Salt wave playing in my head. Every word you've ever said. No hurry, no finish line. Just this groove and borrowed time. Sun is high, worries fade. Living simple, unafraid. Let it roll, let it ride. Salt wave cruising with the tide. Day feels wide, heart feels free. Reggae moving naturally. Let it roll, let it ride. Blue skies stretching far and wide. Every mile, every view. Salt wave reggae pulls me through. Shadows dancing from the trees. Barefoot steps, island ease. Laughing slow, nothing staged. Life feels light, perfectly paced. No filters on this sound, just real moments all around. Feel the bass beneath the calm, like the ocean in my palm. Let it roll, let it ride. Salt wave cruising with the tide. Day feels wide, heart feels free. Reggae moving naturally. Let it roll, let it ride. Blue skies stretching far and wide. Every mile, every view.